Renowned for its diverse attractions, breathtaking landmarks, and vibrant cities, there are plenty of reasons to visit California. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the reasons to visit California. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, we have the natural beauty. California is home to some iconic national parks waiting to be explored. You can find stunning waterfalls and picturesque hikes in Yosemite National Park, but head to Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks to see the incredible giant sequoia trees. This also includes the General Sherman tree, the largest tree on Earth. Which brings us on to the next reason to visit California, the incredible coastline. The panoramic ocean views and rugged cliffs of Highway 1 and the Big Sur are iconic places to explore whilst you are in California. California's coastline stretches over 800 miles, offering a variety of beach experiences. Whether it is road tripping along the 17-mile scenic drive or exploring the various towns and cities along the coastline, there is plenty to keep you busy whilst you explore the coast of California. Another reason to visit California is for the theme parks and family-friendly attractions. California is home to some of the world's most famous theme parks, including the original Disneyland Park in Anaheim and the fun, immersive Universal Studios Hollywood. Families can also visit Legoland California, whilst those looking for thrilling rides should head over to Knott's Berry Farm. There is also a popular Six Flags Magic Mountain theme park, and we also recommend heading to Santa Clara to visit California's Great America theme park. You can't visit California without checking the beaches out. California is home to some fantastic and iconic beaches, so you can relax and unwind whilst you explore this beautiful state. Head to Santa Monica Beach to see the famous iconic pier, which features an amusement park and aquarium. Zuma Beach is one of Malibu's largest and most popular beaches, whilst Venice Beach is renowned for its vibrant boardwalk. Then we have wine country. Whether you are visiting Napa Valley or Sonoma County, California is the place to be if you enjoy some wine. Visitors can tour prestigious wineries, enjoy tastings of award-winning wines, and dine at luxurious gourmet restaurants with some of the best wine pairing opportunities around. You could also choose to take a hot air balloon ride over the vineyards for a scenic, unique experience. Another reason to visit California is for the cities. San Francisco is a historic destination to explore, but also a vibrant place to enjoy at night. You can see the famous attractions like Alcatraz and the Golden Gate Bridge, but also explore the neighborhoods and jump on a cable car. Los Angeles is full of glitz and glamour, so make sure to check out those studio tours, take a walk along the Hollywood Boulevard, and make sure to try and spot the Hollywood sign. San Diego is known for its perfect weather and coastline, and is a popular place to visit for families, especially for those looking to enjoy the world-famous San Diego Zoo, explore the historic Gaslamp Quarter, and then visit Balboa Park. Sacramento is California's capital, boasting a rich history, while Santa Barbara is known as the American Riviera, famous for its Mediterranean climate, beautiful beaches, and Spanish-style architecture. Palm Springs is known for its modern architecture and desert oasis, while Santa Cruz is known for its laid-back vibe and beautiful coastline. No matter which city you choose to explore in California, there is bound to be one that you fall in love with. Then we have the outdoor adventure and activities. California is the place to be for adventure enthusiasts. Whether it is a hike through the national parks, skiing or snowboarding in Lake Tahoe, or taking a trek through the Sierra Nevada mountains, there is plenty for you to choose from whilst you are in California. Joshua Tree National Park is a haven for rock climbers and stargazers, but you could also enjoy some surfing, sailing, and whale watching in the Pacific Ocean. Another reason to visit California is for the historical and cultural sites. Between the cities, there are plenty of places that you can explore to appreciate the heritage and rich history of the region. See the engineering marvel of Golden Gate Bridge, learn about the notorious federal prison at Alcatraz Island, and then make sure to visit the Getty Center in Los Angeles to see incredible artwork in a stunning piece of architecture. See the California State Capitol building in Sacramento, visit the Hearst Castle, and then explore Old Town San Diego. Watch this video to find out the things to know before you go to California. Then to find out about the best places to visit in Los Angeles, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time and stay creative.